Naya, are you doing your exercising? You're doing your exercising? Jump down, Naya. But look straight ahead.
Look forward.
Look forward while you're doing your exercising. No, look at the wall. Look at where the TV is. Yeah, like that.
Okay, done.
You're done? Okay. Okay, do your stretches. Rebecca, guide her through what she needs to do.
Is this perfect for me?
Yeah, I'll do stretches with you.
If I can.
Do your lunge.
Good. Move your other leg. Now bend forward.
Forward.
Okay, now lay down on your back.
Is that?
On your back, yeah. Lay down. Yeah, one leg up. Now your other leg.
Wait.
Now stretch over to the side. Twist. Now twist the other way.
Mommy.
Now wait, on your bottom.
Bottom.
Stretch over one leg.
Leg.
Stretch over the other leg.
Leg.
Okay, put both your feet in front of you. Good, now twist your back.
To the back.
Twist your back the other way.
To the back.
Okay, now get up. Slowly roll up. Okay, deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
I'm going to record you like I was earlier. Are you having fun, Naya? And Katya?
What's wrong with you?
Hi, Katya.
A pageant question?
Hi, Katya.
What exactly is missing from your life that would make you enter a pageant?
Naya, try and get Katya to smile.
That's a good question, Bob.